Hey guys, welcome back. First off, let me just tell you, watch this video to the very end. You're gonna appreciate this one. Got a little giveaway at the end, so stay tuned, guys. Guys, a while back, maybe several months ago, I was sent a jar of this Bald Buck barbecue, their bold taste seasoning. And I gotta tell you, I've made a couple videos of it and I've used it quite a bit. I'll put a link up there to some ribs I did with it. Turned out really great. But I love this stuff. It's getting close to gone and I will order more. But I was recently contacted by Buck telling me he's got a new flavor out and wanted to know if I wanted to try it. And I said absolutely, send it on. And he's got this new one out here. The jar looks similar except it says slow burn at the bottom. It says there's some seasonings in there. Starts off slow and kind of builds as it goes. And I'm a little scared of it, to be quite honest, because I don't do a lot of heat very well. So we're gonna find out on this cook, guys. Guys, I got some chicken thighs I'm gonna season up real quick. We're gonna throw them on the Weber kettle. Gonna use the Vortex today for some good even cooking, and bake these things off on the Vortex and give everything a taste. See, I'll let you know my opinion of the new seasoning, slow burn. All right, guys, as you can see, I got couple decent sized bone-in chicken thighs here. We're just gonna get these seasoned up with the slow burn. I'm a little scared to put too much on, so we're just gonna play this out and see how it goes. Wind's gonna give me fits again. I will probably glaze at least all but one of these off just to kind of balance that for my family. They like a little heat too, just not too much. We'll see how this goes. Alright guys, when this comes up to temp, we're going to get these guys on here. Put this on up. Center up our Vortex best we can. Give her a dump. Right on. Bring this up to temp. This thing is screaming hot. Actually hotter than I want it. So I'm gonna try to regulate this thing down some. Alright folks, we're gonna get this thing going here. It's still a little hotter than what I want it, but we're gonna try to play with this. Just away from the fire. Look at there. For a little smoke, I'm going from one block. This is a hickory wood, guys. Alright guys, we're about 15 minutes in here. I finally got my temps about where I want them. I'm going to give these guys a flip. My target temp was about 350 degrees. Or I'm sorry, 375. Get this. And when I first started, I was at 500. I waited before I even put anything on. We're gonna go here until we have an internal of at least 175. We might even go a little bit higher so we can try to crisp up that skin. My wood hasn't really taken off. I'm gonna let this stay open for just a minute. See if I can get her to take off a little bit and get some smoke going. Now we're producing a little smoke. Alright guys, we're about 30 minutes in. I'm gonna give these a turn. And I'm actually gonna scoot them over a little bit. Ooh, listen to that. Scoot everything over about a quarter of a turn. I ain't sure why. Oh, it's looking great. Looking great. Just because we're at that half an hour mark, I'm going to check some temperatures. We're a little way, we're 140, 142. We're a little ways off. I'm gonna give these guys another 10 minutes. That is 157. The smaller one's probably a little bit higher. Guys, we're pretty close, but I'm gonna let them go a little bit longer. Then I'm gonna glaze 3 of them off. So just a little bit longer, guys. Alright folks, let's get some temps. I think we're pretty close. Definitely there on that. Smaller one I bet's well done. Yep. I'm just gonna finish up what was done on my last cook. This is that Sweet Baby Ray's, that hickory brown sugar. Get some glaze on here, see if we can't get this thing finished up. I'm gonna leave one of these unglazed. Let's smoke that by. We might do 2 coats of this. And I'll go in and get my family fed. I'll leave that last one over there unglazed. Now there's a little plate of some awesome chicken. I cannot wait to taste this. Got one glazed, one without, and just some packaged mac and cheese we whipped it together. Okay, before I taste this, guys, I'm going to tell you about our little giveaway. Bald Buck sent me a link that I'm going to have below. The first 5 of you that go to this link and goes to the store and buys the Bald Buck Slow Burn, if you use promo code KINMAN, I'm gonna put it right down here, that will get the first 5 of you a free bottle of this to try for yourselves. And I'm very excited he chose me to do this. So guys, there you have it. First 5 that goes down below, clicks the link I have below, use promo code KINMAN, you're gonna get a free bottle. But I encourage everyone to try this. Regardless, I will be rebuying this myself. This is the one that I have not glazed. Skin has a good bite. I'm waiting for burn, that's what I'm waiting for. I got a little right there. That's it's not real hot. Wow. Great flavor, guys. Tell you what, great flavor. There is a little heat there. I'm gonna try this one over here just for you that's that I have glazed. I put the glaze on there. That's a sweet barbecue sauce, so it's hopefully gonna take some of the sting off it. It is messy. Also great flavor with the sweet barbecue sauce. I don't know which I like better. Now the way Buck described it to me was, the more you eat, the more you're gonna get a burn, and that's why it's called slow burn. And I'll be honest with you, I can see that right now. Guys, it is delicious. And great flavor. He mixed it just right. Definitely, there is burn, but I tell you what, it's not overpowering. We'll see as we eat this, but it's not overpowering. Even the one without the glaze on it. I'm gonna get that skin. I do like it. Guys, thank you so much. Be sure to go down as soon as this video finishes. Go down, click on the link, and like I said, first 5 of you using promo code KINMAN will get your bottle for free. Thank you so much as always, and guys, we'll see you on the next cook. God bless you, folks. Bye bye.